Hello everyone and welcome to iKognitio. In this video, I'll show you how to create a formula question. So let's click on add question first and then select formula question. Alright, so to understand how we use formula based question and how you can create questions, let's take a very simple example to understand how we can use it. So let's take what is A plus B. Right, so in this case, we do not give the hard-coded values, right? We give a variable a and b, and then you can choose the minimum and maximum value of that. So all the students will not see the same question. I mean, all the students will not get the same value, but every student will get different values, right? So as we proceed further, you'll be able to understand that how this, how all this works. Right. So, and always remember one thing, never repeat your variables. If you have chosen A here, do not take A next time. Just take B, C, D. And it's not mandatory that you take alphabets only. You can take something like or some word as well if you wish to, or anything like that. Right. So let's proceed. So let's give a value of 1 in the minimum and 10 is maximum for variable A. And for B, let's give 2 and give 8 here. If you wish, you can take decimal places as well. So in this case, it will take decimal places in most of this combination that will make. So I'll just take one decimal place in variable A. And then we need to define the formula. And on the basis of formula only, it will generate the combination and will create answers for it. So let's give it A plus B. It is very simple. Plus B. Then let's give one decimal place for this as well, as we've taken one decimal place here. Then it asks us how many combinations do you want. So let's take 10 combinations. So all the students will not get the same values as I was explaining to you before. The 10 combinations will be distributed among your students. Next is allow error margin. So let's say if you have created some typical question and you want that a margin of approx 0.5 should be valued to the students. So let's say if answer is 4.5, correct answer is 4.5, even the student answers 4 or 5, anything between 4 to 5, even 4.25, 4.5, 4.6, anything, his answer will be marked as correct. So you can do that as well if you wish to. I'll just take 0.5 in my case, and then let's generate the 10 combinations which we requested here. So you see, through this, most of the students will get different combinations here. And we have given it an error margin of 0.5 as well, so it shows here as well. All right, so anything, let's say if this combination says answer should be 8. Oops. So if this combination says answer should be 8, and with a 0.5 margin, even if the answer can be anything from 7.5 to 8.5, anything in this range student answers, he will be marked as correct. All right, so now let's save our question. Now let's take a preview of the question. How does it look? How the students will get this question. So that's how student will see the question. What is 8.0 plus 7? So answer is 15. Even if the student answers 14.5 or 15.5, anything in this range, his answer will be marked as correct. So that's how we create and use formula based question. Thank you for watching.